Okay, guys, I'm going to go through the thing which is probably one of the most boring parts of our business, but we have to do it. And that is keeping your accounts. So it's not fun, although it can be fun because it can make you realize how much money you're earning. It's one of the things we have to do, and it's one of the things that scares people the most. So I'm going to go through how to simply keep your accounts. And if you do it at the last day of every month, which I haven't, it's going to be a lot easier for you. So first of all, let's go through what to do with a folder. So my advice is get a folder, just any type of binder, get some dividers, and then get these plastic wallets. So what I have here, this is a whole year's worth, is incoming for each month and outgoing for each month. So that's March, then you've got February, so I go backwards. So the idea is if you're on top of it each month, the next month you just add in the new ones, and then every time you get a receipt, so I have a bag of receipts here to go through, you can put it in to the month that you're on, and then when you get to the end of the month, it's a matter of just going through each pocket of that month, putting it on a spreadsheet, and that will work out what you had incoming and what you had outgoing, and whether you made a profit and whether you made a loss that month, and how much that profit or loss was. So if you have a team, you will have, or if you've had payments through the app, go onto the system, you will have a commission sheet. So this will go into your ingoing. So here I've highlighted the figure, which is what I got paid. The net payment, 4,300 and something, was my pay for what I received in March. So it was actually based on the team sales for February, but because I received the money in March, it goes into my March account. So that will go as an ingoing into this one, which I don't think I'm going to be able to do one-handed, so I'm going to put it over there. So anything else that's been an incoming in March, and I think I've got a stack of them over here, will be your order forms. So these were all from my parents' evening I did. So these, just checking sure those are those ones. So these will also go in the incoming. That's normally pretty much all you have is your incomings. Occasionally I will have, if people have paid me to attend an event, something like that, but anything money wise that has come into your account will be as an incoming. So anyone paying money to you, I have to get up and putting them in the folder until afterwards. Your outgoings is everything else. So that will be, I don't know why it's gone blurry, any receipts you've got. So I brought some stuff from IKEA, they're up on the wall there. That was a office expense. There you go, I'm not blurry anymore. So that unit goes in my IKEA statement. If you have brought other stuff from IKEA or other stuff along with your shopping, just go down and highlight the bits that were for work. So I know I brought a clock for my son in here, so that won't count towards it. So I need to go through, highlight the bits which are for work and ignore the bits that are not, and then total up the bits that were all work related. I have a whole bag of receipts here. I also print off my bank statement each month and highlight the bits that come out. So you can see here there's an Osborne Books at Home outgoing. That's where I placed an order, and that's how much the order cost me. So it's not the volume, it's not the 120, it's the net payment. So you'll also have your invoice in your email for that as well, and it's just tallying through. So I had to get a train down to London for the book fair, so my train line ticket was on there as well. I upgraded my ManyChat. I might just downgrade that again, so I have a payment for ManyChat that comes out every month. And then again, it's a matter of just going through onto a spreadsheet. So there's another Osborne one, another events one. I mean, that was my substance and my food when I was away for work. All these things count. So what I actually do is I put all mine into a folder, and then I give it to a bookkeeper who I pay £15 an hour, and then she does all the spreadsheet for me. But I used to do it myself until I started earning enough to do that, and it's only because I'm lazy. It's not because it's a difficult process. It is, as I say, just a matter of going through. If you use Facebook adverts, you can get it to print off all your transactions for a certain time period. and then you can go through and add all of those onto your account, putting them into each month. But it just makes it quite simple. So if you do this, as I say, at the end of every month, you get your receipts, you put them in, you go onto your spreadsheet, it stays a lot simpler for you. I might try and set up an event that we do every end of month, which is accounts day or something, so we get a reminder to try and do our accounts and stay up to date, because it does make life so much easier, and it is required by law that we do a tax return. So it's, again, your tax return is fairly easy, but it is a matter of just doing it, getting it done. I recommend doing it as quickly as possible. That way it is just going to be done, and you're not having to be there at the end of January going, oh, I don't know what to do, when all the phone lines are really busy. You can get it done from now up until the end of January. If you only just joined, though, obviously it won't be till the next year. So I'm hoping that has helped a little bit.